Now time is 7:27. Let's see some skipping trains from here. Let's see which train will pass first. Let's see. I will show you the some train. One train is passing our from backside. There is total three platforms. Every MMTS local train will skip the Sanath Nagar railway station. This is moving towards Lingampalli and skipping the Sanath Nagar station. Every local train is skipping Sanath Nagar nowadays. That is I am showing now. Let's see another train once. Another express train is skipping Sanath Nagar. Comment me below and tell me which train is this. Now time is 7:38. Skipping Sanath Nagar. LHB coaches is there, and this is moving towards Lingampalli, coming from Sikandrabad or any other station. Another MMTS local train is coming. This is the Chennai ICF rake local train which is skipping सनत नगर स्टेशन. मैं दिखाऊंगा बोला था तो मैं स्किपिंग्स दिखा रहा हूँ. और एक देखते हैं कि आएगी क्या नहीं. कोई आएगी तो देखते हैं अभी. और एक ट्रेन another LHB train is coming. It is going towards Sikandrabad. Now time is 7:54.